Hey guys, this is Austin, and welcome to yet another episode of Ken Wastes Our Money on Amazon. This time with an impressive $20 budget. You really kept yourself kind of in check this time. Single hand, is this a knife? What'd you get a knife for? Let me guess, when you've got $20 to work with, you get a little violent. All right, that's got some power. I do have to ask though, how is this mystery tech? This is just a really cool looking knife. So if you're interested in the Measure one-handed opening knife, how much was this? $20, a relative bargain. Item number 2. A pillow? New cosplay. Ken, what did you do? What did you do? Oh, it's pink. I don't like pink. Oh no. We all know what's gonna happen now, right? So Ken, can I ask, how much was this? $20, yet again. A wonderful Ken Bolito purchase that I'm totally not regretting letting him use the company card for. What is our next item? Okay, now you're just not even trying now. So we can see that this is a customs declaration from Hong Kong Post. Before I open this, Ken, can you confirm, is this actually tech yet or no?
Yes.
You got me 2 Bitcoin! How much were these? $20,000? They're actual Bitcoin. Hey Ken, I got you a raise. It's 1 whole Bitcoin. Who said Bitcoin wasn't real currency? I'm sure I can go and spend this at my local Bitcoin store. So we've got our Bitcoin, we've got our onesie, we've got our knife. I'm afraid to ask, what's next? Why are you bringing over Cheetos? Okay. The world's smallest vacuum? Okay, this is actually kind of tech. How much is this?
20.
I think you overpaid. So you know, when you watch these videos, it's like, oh, how to waste $60 on Amazon, how to waste $100 on Amazon. You're like, ha, that's kind of dumb. But literally, Ken wasted all of our money on Amazon. Also, I've just got to say that my ankles are incredibly unhappy right now, just because, like, this is way too small. So just know that while I look ridiculous up top, downstairs, it's a whole other story. Oh wow, I have Cheeto all over my hands. Oh wow, that actually kind of works. A little bit. This is my life now. Anyway, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in to this episode of I Don't Know What Happened. Ken probably has more products. I'm probably not done. But it makes me feel better thinking that I actually might be done with this video right now. A smartwatch? Just when I think I'm about to lose all hope, Ken drops the hot new tech on me. How much is this? 20 bucks. All right, you know what, let's just, enough of this. Let's get rid of all this crap. I like how the box just says smartwatch, as if, you know, you need to know anything more than it was a smartwatch. Put this next to the Apple Watch though, and you can see that it's a little bit thicker, some might say. All right, our smartwatch is up and running. Wait, what? Insert SIM? Oh, we're gonna insert a SIM, all right. Oh, T-Mobile, we are up and online. And by online, I mean, we have a SIM card and a $20 smartwatch because we make poor decisions, I guess. Ken, hit me with your digits. Hello? You are really quiet. This is the quietest phone call I've ever been on. You can hear me? I can't understand 3 words that you're saying right now. Is the $20 smartwatch good? Not particularly. Is it better than the other tech that Ken got for this video? Absolutely. Next item, please. Okay. A mysterious black box that says Sound Cube. Oh, a speaker. All right. Oh, that actually looks kind of cool. So it's all metal around the outside. You've got a soft rubber foot on the inside. I'm curious what it actually sounds like. Ugh. What? You couldn't even plan this. It's like everything is either terrible, it's a joke from Ken, or it doesn't work. Okay, we're back up. gonna try one more thing. Because it worked for a second. It worked for like 1 second.
Hey guys, this is Austin, and today my mission is very simple. To find the weirdest tech of CES 2018. And should be pretty easy.
Okay.
There's a lot of weird stuff here. So the Razer booth is incredibly,
That actually does work.
incredibly busy. The unbelievably impressive.
It just breaks after a few seconds. Okay, got it. Well, you almost got it, Ken. You were very close. Please tell me we're almost done because this suit is incredibly warm. I've been informed that I need a laptop for this particular product. How much is this? $7? Okay, $7 is better. Is that really it? Oh! So if for some reason you've made it this far through the video and want even more, feel free to subscribe to the channel where Ken can torment me even more with this really, really dumb stuff. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to go reconsider my life decisions.